Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today I am here to teach you computer. Children, in the previous part of the video, we learned about keyboard, its keys and touch typing. Keys such as alphabet keys, number keys, special keys and arrow keys. And in today's part, we are going to discuss its bookwork. So, take out page number 2323. Tick the correct option. Here we have to tick the correct option. The small buttons on the keyboard are called dash. Now children, you can see small buttons on the keyboard. What are these small buttons called? Let's see the options. A lock, B keys and C pin. What are these small buttons called? These small buttons are called keys. So, correct answer is option B, keys. We will tick over here. Number 2, there are dash alphabet keys on the keyboard. Now children, you know all the alphabets are there on the keyboard. They are not arranged in alphabetical order, but all the alphabets from A to Z are present on the keyboard. How many alphabets are there? There are 26 alphabets. Now let's see. Option A 24, B 30 and C 26. So correct answer is option C 26. Now open page number 2727. Section A. First, how do you know that the caps lock key is on or off? Let's see the answer. When the caps lock light glows on the keyboard, it means that the caps lock key is on. Children, as I told you, when we press caps lock key, green light blinks on the right side, and if that light is on, that means caps lock key is on. Who invented the keyboard? Now children, we will see who invented the keyboard. Answer is Christopher Scholz. C and S will be capital. Number question B. First, name any two special keys. Here we have to name any two special key. Let's see. Answer is enter key and caps lock key. E will be capital here in enter key, and caps lock C will be capital and lock L will be capital. Next is number 2, name the key used to give space between words. Now if we want to give space between two words, which key we will press? We will press space bar key. S and B will be capital. Now children, we will see how to write these words. Let's see children, number A. Number 2, who invented keyboard? Let's see the spelling. C will be capital. Christopher. Christopher. Scholes. S will be capital children. Now number B. First, name any two special keys. Here we have to write the name of two special keys. First is enter key. E will be capital. ENTER, enter. KEY, key. And caps lock key. C will be capital. Lock. L will be capital. Key. Now B. Name the key used to give space between words. Which key is used to give space between words children? Answer is space bar key. Let's see how to write. S will be capital. SPACE space BAR bar KEY key. Children, you know this key is the longest key on the keyboard. Now let's move to further questions. Multiple choice questions. Here we have to take the correct option. Number 1, number keys on the keyboard are present at dash places. Now children, I told you number keys are present at how many places? Let's see the options first. 1, 2 or 3. How many number keys are present on the keyboard? 2. So the correct answer is option B, 2. Number 2, backspace key erases character on the dash side of the cursor. Option A left, B right and C up. Now children, this is backspace key and from where it erases? It erases from the left side. So the answer is, correct answer is option A left. We will tick over here. Number 3, the longest key on the keyboard is dash key. A enter, B caps lock and C space bar. Children, you can see which is the longest key over here? It is space bar key. So the correct answer is option C, space bar. We will mark right over here, tick over here. Now next question, D. Write T for true statement and F for false statement. Here we have to mark T if the statement is correct and F if the statement is false. Number 1, alphabet keys are used to type letters from A to Z. Alphabet keys are used to type letters from A to Z. Yes. So the answer is true. We will write T over here. Number 2, number keys are used to type the question mark. Okay children, is our number keys used to type question mark? No, number keys are used to type numbers. So this statement is false. We will write F over here. Next, number 3, caps lock key is used to type capital letters. Yes, if we press caps lock key for once, green light will blink and then rest of the letters will be typed in capital letters. So this statement is true. We will write T over here. Next, arrow keys are used for moving the cursor on the screen. Yes, arrow keys are used for moving the cursor on the screen. We have 4 arrow keys, left, right, up and down, and they are used to move the cursor on the screen. So children, this statement is true. We will write T over here. Let's switch to next question. Section D. Very short answer questions. First, what is the backspace key? Now here we have to write what about backspace key. Answer, the backspace key erases characters on the left side of the cursor. Children, as I told you, if we have written something wrong and we want to erase it, which key we will use? We will use backspace key and it will start erasing from the left side of the cursor. Number 2, name the 4 different types of keys on the keyboard. Now here we have to write names of the 4 different types of keys present on the keyboard. Alphabet keys, number keys, special keys and arrow keys. These are the name of 4 different types of keys. Next question, how do you type capital letters? Now we will see how we type capital letters. Let's see the answer children. To type capital letters, press the caps lock key to make it on and start typing. Children, as I told you, if we are writing any sentence, if we are writing any word and if we want to write that word in capital letter, we will just press caps lock key, and when caps lock key is on, we can write letters in capital. Okay. Now let's see how to write these hard words. Let's write children. A, number 2. We have to name 4 different types of keys on the keyboard. First is alphabet keys. A, L, P, H, A, B, E, T, K, E, Y, S, comma, number keys. N, U, M, B, E, R, number, K, E, Y, S, keys, comma, special keys. S, P, E, C, I, A, L, special, K, KEYS keys, and arrow keys, ARROW arrow, KEYS keys. Children, you have to do all the work in beautiful handwriting. Children, I hope you have done this book work with me and in a very beautiful handwriting, and you have understood it too. Thank you.